Dear eBay sellers, today I am in front of you with a wonderful idea of print on demand. If you wanna sell custom mugs, t-shirts or the phone cases, you are not needed any sort of inventory at home, any sort of stock at home. You must pay attention towards the print on demand. You should work over it online. Let's suppose eBay, Amazon, Shopify or the Etsy. These are the wonderful platforms for this sort of business. You should maximum share it. You should maximum work it. You should promote it by itself, these platforms, as well as on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter and the other social media platforms. Whenever you have a good reach, then you will automatically get good customers. You don't need any sort of inventory at home. You only share it, promote it, and automatically you will capable to increase your business. Thank you.